What's up, guys? How you doing today? So, this is a quick and easy, cheap vegan meal recipe. Now, I went to Food for Less. I'm not sure if the whole world has Food for Less. I'm from California, and we got Food for Less stores. So, stay tuned, quick video, cheap. I'm gonna let you guys know the prices and the ingredients. Now, so we got tofu, rice, some canned products, some protein powder, and some sauce. Now, this is not gonna count because this was very expensive, but each of these cans were only 75 cents. And right here I got some diced tomatoes with jalapenos, and it's just, it's supposed to only have tomatoes and jalapenos, but let's see what the ingredients are. Come on. Diced tomatoes, tomato juice, chopped green jalapeno, pepper, salt, vinegar, calcium, blase. And then we got 2 sets of black beans, and should be only black beans, water, beans, salt, calcium chloride. And we got 2 of those, 2 golden corn, whole wheat. What the fuck am I even saying? Whole cornal, super sweet. It contains only, where's the ingredients at? Ingredients? Honestly, the ingredients. Oh, I just cannot read. Okay, it should be just fucking corn in there, but yeah. And then right here we got your 90-second rice, whole grain brown rice. So we're just gonna throw this in the microwave for 90 seconds. Got 2 of those. Now this right here is tofu. That premium good tofu shit. This was $1.49. These were each 75 cents. These were each $1.49, and this was $3.49. So all in all, this cost me like 15 bucks. This was $2.50, and my alkaline water was $2.50. So those aren't included. These items were about $10. Like $10 to $12 plus tax and shit. Okay, let's get started. Okay, y'all, it took me a long time to open the beans because I did not know how to use the damn. Anyway, we gonna pour the liquid out. Pour all the liquid out, most of the liquid out if I can. So I got all those open. Heated up the pan. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this, maybe about like half of it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I'll pour half of that. And we're just gonna let this pour get really hot. Bloody Mary. Next, we're going to put this back on top and set for later. Look at my fridge, y'all. I ain't got nothing in my fridge. Look at that. I don't eat anything. Now, I'm gonna put this up a little bit. Let me tell you how. That looks already good. I would like dip some chips in there and eat that just like that. You know what I'm saying? Looks bomb as fuck. I'm thinking about adding a little seasoning. I think I'm gonna add a little seasoning, maybe like some garlic pepper. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add that when I add everything else together. Next, we are going to add half of these. Next, we're gonna add half of the corn. Now, guys, I did my vegetables. I'm gonna let them sit there for a second because I was actually supposed to cook the tofu first, but I kind of got too excited and did the wrong thing first. So, yeah, I heated up some oil so I could fry this tofu. So, yeah. Alright, guys. This is looking good and smelling good, so I'm gonna turn the fire off. Oh yeah. I'm going to pour it on this plate right here so it can cool off. Put that back over here. Probably turn it on. Oh, you hear that sizzling? I'll take these, dump them back in here. Let that continue to do some more cooking. Pop this in here for 90 seconds. What's 90 seconds like? A minute and 30. Doing a taste test. Real quick. Oh yeah, that's spicy as fuck. Okay. So now, I'm gonna throw that in there. 2 bowls ready. Now this is some Panda Express sauce, dude. This shit is so fucking good. It has a lot of bad, not bad, but just not that good of ingredients. But this will last you about a month or 2 if you don't use that much or if you don't eat a lot. But 23 seconds. We're gonna stir this up. Now I know you're probably laughing at me and like, why is she stirring with a fork? That's because I don't have any utensils. But hey, this looks good. I don't know about you, but this looks good to me. Alright guys, that looks ready. I got my rice prepared. Let's pour. Now, I'm not sure if you'd like it, but it looks pretty good to me. Now let's pour the sauce on it real quick. Sauce. I need to fucking taste test this shit, man. Alright. First, I'm gonna try the tofu. Mikey's scared, but like... Fire. Veggies. I'm gonna enjoy this food. See y'all later.